many times have you had a robust meeting with a customer, filled with interaction, discussion, debate, and conclusions, only to find that the next day or week most of the key points have been forgotten, denied, or confused? It felt great at the time, but it didn't stick, and you lost ground, or worse, lost the deal. Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make customer discussions come alive and live forever.
If you talk with customers for a living, whether you're in direct sales or retail, customer service or call centers, if you work a help desk or make cold calls, if you're responsible for prospecting or business development, or you're in a project team or work as a customer service rep, then the tips and tools in Sales Bites will enhance your performance on the job. Welcome to Sales Bites, and don't forget to subscribe to view us regularly.
Hello, I'm Eric Richardson, CEO of GDA Online Sales Training. Before you even think about presenting any kind of solution, whether for a sale or to address a customer issue, you need to discuss the situation. That discussion, if only verbal, has a shelf life of about half an hour. After that, the discussion, the responses, even your attitude become a bit fuzzy. The solution for that is to make your discussions come to life with a visual display of the discussion for everyone involved. If you're in a meeting, go to the whiteboard. If there's no whiteboard, make your notebook a discussion display for the conversation. If you're on the phone, take notes while telling your customer what you're writing, and follow up by sending a picture or a recreation of your notes. I've told my staff, if it isn't in writing, it never happened.
Secret sauce.
The secret sauce? If you're holding the pen, then you're in control of the discussion. Don't just write what you hear. Use your sales skills to add value to the content. It doesn't matter if they're your words, the customer words, or a blend of the two. You're perceived as the discussion leader, and you'll gain respect in the customer's eyes as a person who makes things happen. When you're finished, make sure everyone has a copy. Now the discussion becomes real. The conclusions cannot be forgotten, and the results represent collective thinking, but the customer will view that thinking as their own. I'm Eric Richardson, and I'm happy to be your coach for today's Sales Bite.
For a webinar with in-depth training on how to plan and execute the skills for using the whiteboard, go to growthdevelopment.com/webinars. For an online course to learn the complete skills for questioning for needs at your own pace, go to growthdevelopment.com/courses.